Hello everyone and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to go over how you can make $440 per month in passive income doing basically nothing. And this will be after several months of posting a few videos here and there. And I'm going to go into the method and show you. Now, of course, you can't just do nothing and then make money online. You're going to have to put in some work. You'll be able to, after you put in the work, make some passive income with this method. So let me jump right into the method. So the first couple steps is we're going to download a couple things, a couple tools. You're going to need a screen recording software to record your screen. And then you're also going to need an audio recorder as well. So let me show you that stuff. So one of my favorites, the one that I use to record my videos on this channel, is a Screencast-O-Matic. Now, they do have a free version, but in the free version, they'll have a Screencast-O-Matic logo in the bottom right or left corner. And I believe you're only able to do 5 to 10 minute videos with the free version. But the beauty of Screencast-O-Matic is it's just so fast. It works. It just works really quickly. It loads fast. It works really well. And the pricing, I haven't checked the pricing in a while, but let's just look at the pricing real quick. So you have, it's only about $15. It's about a $15 per year, and you get the Pro Deluxe version. Unlimited length in video recording. You've got all kinds of tools. You can edit your videos, all kinds of stuff. And for $15 a year, you get a premium. You get a premium screen recording software. There's plenty of other ones you can use. You could also download one that's called OBS Screen Recorder. So you can also, this is an open source software, and you could use this one. It's completely free. Just pick which platform you're on, Windows or Mac. And it's a great screen recorder and has plenty of tools as well. So to get started, this would be recommended as well. And it doesn't cost any money at all. Next, there's a couple different ways you can record the screen. But if you're going to do like a scripted recording where you want to type out your text of what you want to say in the video and then actually record your voiceover, you can download this free open source software called Audacity. And that's free to download, doesn't cost any money. And you can just push record. And once you push record, you can start recording and reading your script. And then you can sync up your voiceover with recording your screen later on. So jumping back in over to here, let's go into step 3. And then as I was mentioning before, is that having Audacity and the screen recorder, you can do both. Record the screen, record your voiceover before, and then kind of put them all together, or you can actually just jump right in, push record on your screen recorder, and just begin recording, kind of like what I'm doing right now. It's just kind of live. This video is unscripted. I apologize when I do ums and things like that, but it's a live recording. I'm just recording and going live. And that will allow you to record many more videos much quicker because they actually will take less time to do. So getting into step 4, I'm going to show you a channel that is doing this method. So if we go over to here to YouTube and we check out this channel called Foxy Tech Tips. They have 14.5K subscribers, and you can see what kind of channel they do. They do how-to tutorials on technology, softwares, things like of that nature, like how to delete a Google account, how to delete a Gmail account, few real-time subscribers. So it's techie stuff for different things, even video games here, Instagram stuff, Gmail, YouTube, Netflix, just anything that's kind of like a software that a lot of people don't know how to do simple things in settings, how to delete accounts, how to update your account, how to add a new user, all kinds of stuff. And you can just see that's all they do on this channel. And what's interesting is that if we jump over to Social Blade, it's a website that you're able to look at some further analytics on YouTube channels. This channel, it'll tell you that they have 110 videos and they have 14,000 subscribers, and they've had, this is what's blows my mind. They've had almost 6.5 million views on this channel with only 100 video uploads. And guess what? The interesting thing is that these videos, if you look at them, they're all 2 to 3 minutes long. Rarely is there one that is more than 3 minutes. There's one that's 4 minutes. The rest of them are 2 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 1 minute, 1 minute, 2 minutes. These simple videos that probably take 10 minutes or less to record and edit and upload. Very short videos, very quick. You could do this. And they've done a pretty good job with this channel. Social Blade grades your channel by, like in this case, this channel's gotten a B-, which is pretty awesome considering they only had 100 uploads and they're all 3 minutes or less. And another thing that is notable is that they haven't uploaded a video in a year. It's been over a year since they uploaded their last video, but guess what? Is this channel still making money? Absolutely. So Social Blade will tell you about, give you a good estimated figure of how much money this channel is earning. And it's usually cut down the middle. And so this channel is making about $440 a month and at least $5,000 a year from this little channel that they haven't even uploaded in a year. And that's where the passive income part comes in, is that you could do this. So let's say you wanted to set a goal to make a channel like this. You could take the 110, that they have, and let's say you wanted to do this in 3 months. Divide it by 3. So as long as you are uploading 36 videos per month, so if you take 36 divided by 30 days in a month, look at that. So you would just need to do 1 video a day times 3, and you're going to get real close to, and you just throw in a couple extra videos here and there. You're going to be able to do this in 3 months and have a YouTube channel, a tutorial channel uploaded with 100 videos on it. And you'll gain your subscribers, you'll get your views, and in 3 months you could basically install 400 to 500, and it could go up from there, but around a $500 a month passive income stream, and then just move on to the next and move on to the next, or keep adding to it, and it will continue to build. So it's a really cool strategy. And basically what you're doing is you're posting short tutorials on how to videos about technology and software. It's a screen recording video that shows how to do something, and you don't even have to show your face or even speak if you don't want to. So that's what's really great about it, is it's a channel that anybody can do. And like I said, most of these videos are 3 minutes or less, really easy and fast to create these channels. And so another cool thing that you could do is you could, come over here and to do some keyword research for your channel. You could do go to this tool called Keyword Sheeter, and this tool you could just type in how to and just push search, and you can see it scraping. It's just going to scrape all kinds of things. And you can use this general just how to broad keyword to get a bunch of different ideas of what could even spark like a unique how-to channel that you could dive into. Or if you wanted to kind of mimic exactly what this channel did, was more on the techie side, you could do like how to do anything on Facebook. How to, and then it's just going to go ahead and sheet a bunch of keywords. You can see it's already almost at 200, and it'll just keep going and going. I'm going to go ahead and push stop. But you can see, look, how to like on a Facebook page, how to delete a Facebook page, how to, Facebook's not responding, how to sign up on Facebook with a new account. I mean, look at all these night modes, different things that you can do. And you could take one of these, how to delete Facebook Keep Messenger. And you could take one of these, how to join Facebook for the first time. And you could just take that and you could actually go and just do a little research on YouTube and see kind of, you know, here's a video that's received almost 300,000 views, and just see what kind of videos show up on how to do this. But and then you could take all kinds of different things, any kind of app that's come out, and just fill in the blanks and do a little research and just start throwing up these videos. And before you know it, you could have yourself a channel like this, making, you know, between $500 and $1,000 a month. And this channel has not uploaded in over a year, and they've still continue to receive between 500 and 1,000 subscribers per month, and the channel continues to grow. So, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed that, and it kind of sparks an idea for you. Now, keep in mind that this is not just like a get rich quick method. On this channel, I only go over things, only go over methods that actually will work online. And in this case, this one will take some time, effort, some hard work and dedication and research. It's a realistic way to make money online, but you would have to do the grunt work first, and then you'd be able to reap the benefit and reward after you get to a certain point. The video will continue to make money month after month, and that's where the true doing nothing and passive income comes in. So if you like what you've seen in the video today, please hit that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this. Until next time, thank you.